Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok message option not showing in any iPhone or Android. If you're using any iPhone or Android and your messages option is not showing, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you have a stable or strongest Wi-Fi connection, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. Once you have checked, you have to open your App Store or Play Store, and here you have to simply search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending update available for your TikTok app, or if you have any pending update here, try to update with your app. Once you have updated, you have to open your settings, and here you have to go to general, then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you just have to enter your passcode and all of your network setting will be reset. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this, and after that it will almost fix your issue. Or if this step doesn't work for you, you just have to open your settings, then go for general, go for iPhone storage, and here select TikTok, and you just have to tap on the offload app. Once you have offloaded your app, you just have to tap on reinstall app, and the app will be completely reinstalled on your phone, because sometime it might be that there will be any bug into your TikTok app, so it will fix in this step. And after that, you just have to open your TikTok, and you will get the messages option. Or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you just have to open your profile, then tap on the menu option in the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, and here you just have to look for the option of free up space, then select clear cache and clear option here. You just have to clear all the cache file, it will help you to fixing bugs. Then select support, and here you just have to look for the option of direct messages, then scroll down and look for the option of need more help or something like that. Is the need more help, you just have to tap on it, and here you just have to describe your issue which you're having, and you'll get the official help from TikTok support team. If you cannot get, you will get the mail, or your issue will be fixed in up to 1 hour or 2 hour, or it might be sometime it takes 24 hours, so you must have to wait for that. So in this way you can easily fix if your TikTok message option not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.